This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. This is Razer's latest flagship smartphone, sequel to the original Razer phone. This one is the mirror black version. It also comes in a satin black finish. The mirror black has more of a glossy finish. The satin black is more of a matte finish. So, as you can see on the front, you have like the Razer insignia kind of embossed into the box. Razer logo right here. Information about the device, and then open it like this. Here you have like a little note from the co-founder and CEO of Razer, Liang Tan. So you can read that, and it tells you about like here's the Razer Phone 2 and whatnot. So here's the phone itself. It has a 5.7-inch LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage with micro SD, 4000 mAh battery. You have one 12 megapixel camera, ultra wide, and one 12 megapixel telephoto. Razer logo on the back, which also has RGB lighting and can sync with Razer's chroma lighting, so you can sync it to your Razer peripherals and whatnot. Volume up and down, power button slash fingerprint sensor, USB-C port on the bottom. Yeah, so let's take what else is inside the box. So here you have your manuals and whatnot, and also a SIM ejector tool. Here's your USB-C wall adapter, and then here's your USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, and the USB-C to USB-C cable to charge your phone with a little kind of green color on it. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. It's available now from Razer's website, and it starts at around $6.99 Canadian.